This is Surveillant, a cluster monitoring service which I built to help me monitor my SBC cluster in a scalable fashion. Without further ado, let me go over the details of this project. So a short note about this project is that it's design-centric as both software and hardware oriented. We have the software which is going to be handling our task as well as the device on which this project will be running on. Here is a walkthrough about the physical part. This is a tablet-like device which gives us a dashboard on which we can see performance metrics and device info about our cluster. It's a standard Cadence Vim 3 in a 3D printed case along with the touchscreen. It opens up all the ports we need to interact with it as well as provide ventilation provisions for smooth runtime operation. The actual Surveillant framework consists of the graphical app that we see running on the screen and the server that fetches the data from multiple clients. The client server can be made in any language, but for this project, it was written in the Rust framework to fetch, extract, process, and send the data. It was written to have a very small footprint and a low runtime overhead. The graphical application is based on a graphical library called LVGL and draws directly to the Linux frame buffer, intentionally made for small microcontrollers and embedded displays. This library bodes well when dealing with large screen resolutions and when running on a fast SoC such as the one on the Vim 3. The firmware for this app is written with a higher level C++ and has the ability to process large amounts of incoming data with little to no latency when displaying the same on screen. A quick rundown of what the graphical application has to offer. There is a main dashboard panel with a simple overview of the overall system resource usage, and the node panel which gives you individual stats such as the host address and resource usage. There is also a downtime indicator to make sure that your server is online and functional. The main goal of this project was to have an independent device that can monitor all the nodes in your system. Management tasks are liberated from running on the server or cluster itself, and so in case of downtime it will not be affected. It provides a dashboard on your desktop but can also be the management device that provides the gateway for other orchestration systems like Kubernetes and run other apps like Prometheus to also log your system. The project is open on GitHub and feature requests are highly appreciated. It's easy to set up and deploy and works on a wide variety of platforms. If you want to see more of the development, please check out the blog post linked in the description and follow me on Twitter for my other projects. Thank you for watching.